Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lab session, we're going to take a look at web mining with R. Specifically, we're going to look at social media analytics with the Twitter data. So we are going to cover 4 different things in today's lab session. The first thing is how do you extract data using API in R, and then the second thing is how to conduct simple descriptive analytics to understand your user factors. And then the third analysis we'll be doing is a simple social network analysis where we will be creating a network visualization and we will also calculate the centrality for this network. And the last thing we are going to do is to do a advanced analysis, which including sentiment analysis and also virality prediction. So now let's start. In the first part, we are going to see how can we extract data using API and using pre-created R packages. So in order to get Twitter data, we are going to use a library or a package called rtweet. So everyone please install, if you haven't installed rtweet yet, you can take out the hashtag and then install rtweet on your local drive. And then what we are going to do is that we are going to load this library rtweet. So the utilization of this package is pretty straightforward. In here, we are just going to use the search tweet function from this rtweet package. By itself, it's actually more powerful. If you're interested, you can take a look at the manuscript, the menu for R script, and then learn more about the other functions it has. So now we are going to start with this searching tweets function. What we are going to do is that we are going to search 1,000 original English tweets about avocado as an example. So in here, we can see that the function is search tweet. And then the word we are going to search, the keyword we are going to search for is avocado. And then the n is 1,000, so we are trying to search 1,000 different tweets. And then we are not going to include retweets. That's why we are setting this include retweet as false. And the language, we are going to only get English tweets. So that's why we set the language as English. So let's run this line of code. And we are saving the data we have collected as Twitter1. So if you open Twitter1, you will see that it actually crossed a lot of different information about each tweet. So we can get the user ID, the status ID, the creation time of this tweet. We can also get the screen name of that user who has posted this tweet, the content, the text of the tweet, the source, so where the tweet was created, the display text with, and many different other features. So is this a code? Is there any code? Is this like a retweet itself and things like that? So there are many different features. In total, there are 88 variables in this table. We're only going to use like 4 or 5 of them. So now let's try on your own. So can you collect 100 original English tweets about COVID-19 and then name the data as data? So here is a solution. So basically, we can just copy line 9 down here and then replace the different parameters we want, different arguments we want to change, and then change it to collecting 100 original tweets about COVID-19, and we are saving this data set as data. So if you run this, you will see that you have collected 100 tweets on COVID-19 and save them into the data set. So what we are going to use for today's analysis is this Twitter1. So all the different tweets about avocado.